Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 1, Supply Chains, Demand Management, and Forecasting. Section 5, Forecast Accuracy and Measurement, Lesson 4, Forecast Collaboration and Consensus. Forecast Collaboration and Consensus and its placement within the context of forecast accuracy, Section 05. This lesson likely focuses on moving beyond mathematical models to improve forecast accuracy through human input and cross-functional agreement. Here is a breakdown of what this lesson likely covers. 1. The siloed problem. The lesson probably starts by explaining why relying solely on statistical models or a single department, like planning, can lead to inaccurate forecasts. Lack of context. Numbers don't know about upcoming marketing campaigns, competitor actions, or extreme weather events. Organizational bias. Different departments have different goals, e.g., sales wants low targets to hit bonuses, operations wants high numbers to ensure stock. 2. Key stakeholders in collaboration. The lesson will likely introduce the main players in the sales and operations planning, S&OP, process and what they bring to the table. Sales, insight on customer negotiations, competitive intelligence, and promotions. Marketing, knowledge of upcoming product launches, advertising campaigns, and pricing changes. Operations, supply chain, awareness of production capacity, supplier constraints, and lead times. Finance, the budgetary targets and financial goals the forecast must align with. 3. The consensus process, unbiased forecast. This section teaches that collaboration isn't just a meeting, it's a method to merge statistical data with market intelligence. Statistical baseline. Start with the number generated by history, quantitative. Overlay intelligence. Adjust the baseline based on qualitative input from the stakeholders mentioned above. Reconciliation. The process of resolving conflicting input, e.g., marketing wants a huge forecast for a promotion, but operations knows the supplier can't deliver that much. 4. The consensus meeting. The lesson likely describes how to run an effective forecast review meeting to avoid it turning into a blame game. Agenda. Review past accuracy, discuss exceptions, what was wrong last month, and agree on the new forecast number. Goal. To create a single, operating plan that everyone agrees to follow. 5. Benefits to forecast accuracy. Since this is under the forecast accuracy section, the lesson will tie collaboration directly back to measurement. Reduced bias. Combining sales optimism with operations conservatism usually results in a more balanced, accurate number. Improved information flow. Ensures that known unknowns, like a competitor going out of business, are reflected in the numbers before they hurt accuracy. 6. Technology and tools. It may briefly touch on CPFR, collaborative planning, forecasting, and replenishment, which is a standard framework for retailers and suppliers to share forecasts electronically to improve accuracy across the entire supply chain. Summary for the beginner. In simple terms, this lesson teaches the student that a forecast created in a vacuum is likely to be wrong. By getting the sales team, marketing team, and operations team in a room to agree on one number, you get a more accurate and reliable plan than any computer could generate alone. Analogy. A statistical forecast is like looking in the rearview mirror, history. Collaboration is like asking the passengers what obstacles they see on the road ahead. You need both to drive safely. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.